How to replace the toner cartridge on a Pantum M6500 laser printer. Turn off the printer. Raise the scanning platform until it is locked. Open the cover of the printer and block it. Remove the empty toner cartridge. Take the new toner cartridge, remove the protection. There could be a seal. Remove it. Do not touch the drum, the green roller. There is no need of reset procedures. This toner cartridge has a chip that will reset the counter of the machine. Install the toner cartridge along the guides into the printer. Be sure that the cartridge is fully inserted. Close the cover of the printer. Close the scanner unit. Turn on the printer. The work is done.